Swami, you know there's speculation that Magna International could be one of the companies that would work with Apple, as Apple is reportedly looking to develop an electric autonomous vehicles. Let me put you on the spot. Have you had conversations with Tim Cook or any of the executives of Apple saying, okay, let's work towards building at least a prototype vehicle?
What's up, guys? I'm back like I never left. In this video, we're going to be talking about two stocks that Ark Invest started to buy recently. So we're going to go over exactly why Ark Invest started to buy this company, what is the potential, what price point we can use to get involved in this company, and what is the potential for growth for these companies in the future. So I'm also going to be going over quick stock market recap and some important economic reports we need to watch for tomorrow. So make sure you stay tuned. Now let's get right into the video. Now, I really appreciate if you can hit the like button. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop it in the comment section below. So the company that we're going to be talking about is going to be ticker symbol MGA. So as you can see, the company is trading at $72.82 right now. So the main players that this company is going to be working with, potentially, there's still rumors right now, is they can help build Apple cars. So Apple recently came out and they said they're going to get involved in EV sectors. They're going to be producing vehicles in the near future. So this is going to be one of the companies that they can potentially be outsourcing for them to help build these electric vehicles. Apple is well known for outsourcing the production of their products, like, for example, for iPhone and etc. So this is going to be a huge deal for this company if they're going to be able to start producing and working with Apple to produce their electric vehicles. So it's going to be massive for the next few years to come. So there's going to be huge potential if they partner and start working. So Ark Invest, of course, started to get involved in this company. As you can see right here, this is the exact amount of shares that they hold. They hold this company in their arkq ETF. And of course, when we look at also the analysts, Wall Street analysts, they say it's a strong buy and also a bias. It's only one sell for this company in the past few months. So there's definitely huge potential for this company. We're also going to be hearing from the CEO to talk about exactly if there is potential partnership that they're going to be doing with Apple, what this company is all about. So let's check out that video, and I'm going to come back and we're going to go over the other company that Ark Investor to get involved in and see if there's a huge potential for that company too. But let's check out this video first.
Swami, you know there's speculation that Magna International could be one of the companies that would work with Apple, as Apple is reportedly looking to develop an electric autonomous vehicles. Let me put you on the spot. Have you had conversations with Tim Cook or any of the executives of Apple saying, okay, let's work towards building at least a prototype vehicle?
Phil, you know, I can't really comment on speculation or rumors, but if the question was, is Magna capable of building a car, and is Magna having the desire to do it, the answer to those two questions would definitely be yes. Like you said, there is so many variants, so many new entrants, even established OEMs looking at variants. And for many of those conversations, Magna is at the table.
One of those companies you are working with, and you can comment on, is Fisker. You're going to help them develop their first model. It's the Ocean, an electric vehicle. When you look at where Fisker is at, they've got the capital to bring this to market, and you're helping them with that. But how concerned are you that as all of these new entries come into the electric vehicle space, that it's got to be hit or it's a miss, and if it's a miss, it's not good for the future of a particular automaker?
Phil, like you said, auto industry is really a complex, high-tech industry, and there is a lot more that goes on behind the scenes to be able to build a car and bring it in scale to the consumers. We looked at the plan that Fisker has, and you know, the teams are working really cohesively well and hitting milestones towards the Q4 of 22. With Magna's in-depth system experience that we have and the manufacturing experience, we're able to bring to table the program management, the engineering experience, the integration. We built over 3.7 million vehicles in our Graz facility, over 30 models. So, you know, this is the scale and the production experience that we are bringing as value to the table, and we are looking forward to the success.
Quickly, Swami, we're up against a break here, but you've got the facility you mentioned in Austria. Are you looking to build another final assembly plant here in North America, in the United States?
We have a facility in Graz. We also have a joint venture in China. So between the two facilities, production capacity is somewhere between 350 to 400,000 units per year. If there is a case and if there is interest, definitely yes in North America.
So as you saw from the video, the CEO talked about exactly he cannot disclose if they're started to work with Apple or not, but this is going to be a huge company that you need to be watching out for the future. So the ideal price point to get involved in it for the long-term investments if you want to buy it and just hope that the deal goes through. And Ark Invest also started to get involved in it. And then there's a lot of institutions ownership in this company, more than 72%. So that is really great. The market cap of this company is 21.79 billion. Also, if you buy it, you get dividend. So it's not that bad. It's not a deal to just buy and hold this company for a while to see the huge potential in the future if things go as planned. And it recovered very well from the March lows, and the stock just been trending higher and higher since the March lows that I made over here. So it's really great. Just keep in your watch list. If we see a huge dip, it's definitely a buy, and you can risk off of over here, which is going to be if it breaks all the way down to $66, it's going to be ideal buy point. Of course, you can just buy it right now too. It's really a great company for the long term. So now let's talk about the second company that Ark Invest started to get involved in a few days ago. So the second company is going to be Skillz. Now, we talked about this company in detail in the past. As you can see, the stock was up 21.32%, $3.88. This used to be SPAC company. Now they finalized their merger, and Ark Invest started to get involved in this company, and the stock price just shot up to the upside. The 52-week high over here is $23.87. So if you want to get involved in it right now, it's close to the 52-week high. You definitely can wait if you don't want to chase it. You can definitely risk off of, the $18 to $20 mark right around over here. But of course, if you see the long-term potential in this company, definitely start getting involved in it. And this is the amount of shares that Ark Invest started to buy into this company, and they're going to be continuing to add into these positions. Even if the stock drops, to 18, 16 to 14, they're going to be continuing to buy into this company. So that is really great. So the market cap of this company is 8.17 billion. As I talked about in my previous video about this company, this definitely has a lot of potential for growth in the future, and that's why you see Ark Invest starting to get involved in this company. So definitely check out these two companies. Keep them on your watch list if you want to get involved in them, and if you want to get involved in them, be patient if you want to wait for the dip. But if you buy them right now, there's going to be huge growth potential for the future. So now let's talk about exactly what happened to the stock market today. So as you can see over here, we have the overall stock market that was green, especially some sectors performed very well, like the energy. They did really, really good. The oil and gas, they perform very, very good compared to the other sectors. The second sector that did really well was semiconductors. We have the major stocks that sold off the past few days, like Apple, Amazon, Google, Microsoft. They recovered very well. There is some political news that can potentially affect the stock market in the future, so be on the lookout for that. But now let's check out what could potentially be affecting the stock market for tomorrow when it comes to economic reports and etc. So at 8:15 a.m. we got the ADP employment report. It's going to be for the period of December. The previous was 307,000. And the forecast is 60,000. And 9:45 a.m. we got the market service PMI. It's going to be for the period of December. The previous was 55.3, and the median forecast is 55.1. At 10 a.m. we got the factory orders. It's going to be for the period of November. The previous was 1%, and the median forecast is 0.8%. Also at 2 p.m. we got the FOMC meeting. Also at 2 p.m. we had the FOMC meeting. So definitely be on the lookout for these economic reports. They're all in Eastern Standard Time. And also, if you have any questions, any comments, make sure to drop in the comment section below. Make sure you manage your risk. If you want to get involved in any of these companies, they're very speculative. They go up and down a lot. But these Ark Invest stocks, they can be relatively not that volatile because there's some institutions that are going to be coming and buying into these companies. So they might be a little safer than the other penny stocks that we talk about in this channel. So make sure you manage your risk. So if you want to check out the free links in the description box below, get you free stocks, and join the free Discord too at the same time. But I catch you guys on tomorrow's video. Let's get it. Have a wonderful day.